Hello everyone. Today I will be showing you how to perform linear regression to find the equation of the line of best fit on a TI-84 plus CE graphing calculator. We have a released EOC question right here that says, the table below displays the walk-in heart rate and running heart rate of 8 girls in beats per minute, BPM. This is the X values and this is the Y values. Using the linear best fit model for the data, what is the predicted heart rate for a girl whose walk-in heart rate is 120 BPM? This question wants you to perform linear regression to find the line of best fit equation so we can estimate what the walk-in heart rate is for 100 BPM. So, to perform linear regression to find the line of best fit on a TI-84 plus CE graphing calculator, the first thing you have to do is obviously turn it on. Once you turn it on, we will want to press the Stat button, which is located next to the arrow keys. Now you will see a set of 5 choices. We want to choose the first choice, Edit. So we can either press the number 1 or we can press the Enter key. Now we need to enter our data into the table. Remember, the left side column is the X values and the right side column is the Y values. Now we will start with the Y values. The next step to do, once you have entered all of your numbers, is to go back to the Stat button. Then, we will hit the right arrow 1 time. To perform linear regression, we are going to use the choice number 4, linear regression AX plus B. So we can press the number 4 to get there. Now we're going to go down to where it says Store Reg EQ. We're going to hit the alpha F4 button and press the Enter for the number 1. This will be helpful later on when we turn on the stat plot. Then we will go to Calculate and press Enter. Now it has given you the equation for the line of best fit. Let's round this to the hundredths place. So we have y equals 1.04 x plus 58.84. Since this one gives you the x value and they want us to find the y value, we can plug in 100 for the x value. .04 times 100 is 104. 104 plus 58.84 is 162.84. The closest answer choice to this would be B, 163 beats per minute. So B is the correct answer. Now I would like to show you how to see this on a graph. So in order to do this, the first thing we have to do is turn on the stat plot. So we're going to hit the second button and the Y equals button. Now we're going to hit either the number 1 button or the Enter button to go to plot 1. We're going to hit the Enter button on the word on to turn it on. The second thing that we're going to do is we're going to go to Window, because as you can see, these numbers don't fit in -10 to +10. So the smallest x value that we have is 66. So a good x minimum would be 60. The highest x value that we have is 88. So a good maximum x value would be 100. For the y minimum, the lowest value we have is 128. So we can make it be 120. For the maximum, we have 152. So we can just make that 160. Now the third step we can do is we can go to graph. And we can clearly see how the line of best fit accurately goes through all of these points. Again, if you did not see the line, that means that you did not store the EQ in the earlier steps. If you do not see the points, that means that you did not do both of these things. You did not turn on the stat plot, and you did not go to the window to make sure all of the points can fit on the graph. I hope this video was very helpful to you to learn how to do linear regression line of best fit on a TI-84 plus CE graphic calculator. Be sure to subscribe and check out my other videos on my channel. Have a good day.